This is the Palmgren 6-inch milling machine vise with base, a precision tool proudly assembled in the USA, engineered for demanding vertical and horizontal machining. Our vises start with 30,000 psi tensile strength, fine-grained cast iron. Every single piece from base, bed, and jaw is machined to parallel within 0.001 inches for absolute accuracy under load. 360-degree swivel base for flexible positioning, jaw width 6 inches, jaw opening 6 inches, throat depth 2 inches, jaw deflection 0.002 inches at 2,000 pounds, replaceable steel jaw plates with grooves to firmly hold round stock. Before leaving the plant, each vise undergoes rigorous QC inspection, bed-to-base parallelism, jaw squareness, swivel calibration, and lead screw smoothness. Every unit is tested and verified to meet our lifetime guarantee standards. Once it passes inspection, it's carefully packaged and ready to ship across the country. Your shop setup just got more reliable. American assembled, precision engineered, lifetime guaranteed. Palmgren, embrace the work.